Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all. It's your sheer love that has made me reach 1000 subscribers. So a big thank you to all of you, and a big sorry also because I couldn't make much videos in the past few days. I was having a very bad cold, so do excuse me for that. And my today's recipe is mushroom risotto. I had shown a mushroom risotto in cauliflower rice, but today it is the traditional Italian dish. So let's have a look at the ingredients now. The main ingredient for our dish is mushroom. Over here I have around a kilo of whole white mushrooms, which I have chopped into 4 pieces. Around 5 to 6 cloves of garlic diced, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, around half cup of chopped parsley, around 3 stalks of celery which I have chopped, 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Here I have around 2 cups of chicken stock. I might need a little bit more also. That will customize it according to the need of the recipe. Around half cup of thickened cream, butter around 4 tablespoons, Parmesan cheese around a cup, and for this risotto we need arborio rice, which is a special kind of rice for risottos. In case you can't find this, you can try it out with whole grain basmati rice also, but there would be a little bit of difference in texture. And a glass of white wine. If you don't want to use white wine, you can use some water instead. Next is some olive oil and some salt to taste. So I'll start off with adding my olive oil. I'll add around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. As our olive oil heats up, we'll add in half of our chopped garlic and let it cook for a minute or so. My garlic started browning. I'll add in my mushrooms. Today I am using white cup mushrooms, but you can use any kind of mushroom you want. The mushroom will definitely reduce once it cooks up. We'll add in some salt and our chili flakes and mixed herbs. Give it a good mix and cook till the mushrooms leave water and they dry up again. As you can see, the mushroom has released all its water, and we need to dry up this water and make the mushrooms a little on the crispier side. So this will take around another 4 minutes. My mushrooms are now well cooked. You can see all the water has evaporated and my mushrooms look very crispy. So now I'll transfer it in a separate bowl and start cooking our rice. In the same pan, I'll add in another 3 tablespoons of oil and around 2 teaspoons of butter. To this I'll add in my rest of the garlic, my onions and celery. My onions and celery have started turning transparent, and now I'll add in my rice. I'll add around 2 cups of arborio rice. And cook the rice with the veggies for some time till the rice coats with the olive oil and butter, and then we'll start adding in our liquids. I just cook my rice for a minute, and now the first wet ingredient I'll add is my wine. I'm using white wine, and I'll cook it till the wine reduces a bit. I've heated up my chicken stock and I'll start adding it gradually. For this recipe, adding the liquid gradually helps to cook the rice to a perfect consistency. I'll keep on adding my chicken stock and cook it till the rice is done almost 90%. I'll season my rice with some salt. My rice is almost 90% cooked now, and you can see that the texture is pretty flowy. Now I'll add in my mushrooms. And cook it for another 3-4 minutes. To cook the rice 90%, it took me around 20 minutes. I'll sprinkle some of my parsley now, and some I'll leave for garnishing. I'll also add in my cream now, around half cup, and give it a good mix. My risotto is ready. My rice is also well cooked, and you can see there is still a lot of liquid left. We don't want our rice to be stiff. We need this much of flow in our risotto. I'll add in around 3 tablespoons of butter and around half cup of Parmesan cheese, and switch off our gas and cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, and the butter and everything, the cheese has melted. We'll give it a good mix and do our plating now. My mushroom risotto is ready. Try it at home to know how delicious it is, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.